Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off oscillation on your XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan 2 Pro. You can do it in two methods, either in the app by clicking on your fan, then finding oscillation and enabling it. You can also change the horizontal angle, which is quite great. Let's set it to something and confirm. Now it basically should change, I guess. I'm not really sure how it changes, but yeah. And that's basically it. I think that's just the amount of movement there will be. So if you set it to 30, then it won't move too much. Then you can also do it on the fan itself. If you see the fan right here, you can find this button right here, and it will enable or disable oscillation. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.